take off your shoes? Good idea.
Sis, that's your baby brother.
He's so cute.
Isn't he so cute?
Baby Logan.
Can you give him a kiss, Sissy?
He's what?
He's small like a cherry.
He's small like a cherry.
Come on up here. No, baby. Kangaroos are called Joey's.
That's right.
Come here.
And are they small like a...
Cookie.
There they are.
Cookie. This was the baby in Mommy's tummy.
And he came out?
He's right here. How did he get out?
He got born.
When?
He got born, yeah.
What do you think? What's this for?
That's where he sleeps.
Isn't he so cute? I bet Hunter could hold him.
Yeah, do you want to hold him, Hunter?
Go, maybe if you could
Okay, come here, bud.
sit in that chair.
What do you think
Here, will you keep this going? It's recording right now.
So cute.
Come here, bud.
Baby.
Hey, Gummy.
Let's sit over here in this chair.
You want to go sit by Hunter?
Snuggle bug. Come here, you little snuggle bug.
Come here, sis.
Come here, you little snuggle bug.
Come here.
Yes.
Hurry.
Cookie, you're gonna hold baby?
Put one hand behind his head.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. How are you feeling, Ellie? Yeah?
Oh, Hunter, you
Good.
so good. When he rocks
Back and forth.
Your head so you can see. Good boy, good boy.
I love this perfect.
He's just perfect.
Thank you.
USB born.
Baby boy. Thanks for the
They
flowers.
are beautiful.
Yeah.
What do you think, Brookie?
Where's my phone? Take pictures.
His head is... He's,
Baby born.
can you pull his head up a little bit? Right here. Before they slip him.
Yeah. Oh, baby.
Hold him just like that. That's your baby brother.
1, 2, 3.
Cute.
Is that too far away?
Hunter, you're so good at holding your baby brother.
Ready?
Can I hold the baby?
1, 1, 2, 3.
Can I hold the baby?
Yeah, here
I
I'll
hold
hold
the baby brother.
He's so cute.
Do you love him? What's his name?
Baby Logan.
That's
Get
right.
out of the chair. He's so cute.
Yeah.
When you know
Cookie, you're holding baby brother?
Hunter, when he was
Are you
first
holding
born,
baby
I thought he
brother?
looked like you.
Is he cute?
Yeah.
And that's for me.
Hey,
Yeah.
come here.
Smell, Mom.
This is your baby brother.
Did you pick them out?
No, she did.
Come here. How was
There you go.
I can't hold him.
Did you tell everybody you have a baby brother?
No.
That's okay. Did you do gymnastics today?
Yeah,
Busters.
I did. What's that for?
First they have to put some